Hey everyone, this is Eric with All Replay Man and Not Talking About Any Cars. I was actually showing my family some pineapples that I grew, and they've been growing for like 3, 4, 5 years, man. They've been growing for quite some time because my son's 6, and I know I've planted these years ago, and they just take that long, you know what I mean? These are pineapples that were bought from Walmart. I'll buy the whole pineapple, and it actually has a little tag on the pineapple that tells you how to actually cut it, because what you're supposed to do, you cut the top off, then you cut the sides off, right? And you take the inside and you eat the inside of it, but not, you know, around the middle, the very core of it. You know, you cut that out, and just kind of show you what I did. So when you come towards my backyard, on the back side of the house, I have, well, it's 4 plants here. There's one here that doesn't have pineapple growing. The second and third one actually have pineapples growing out the top, man. Y'all can see that right there. I mean, it's growing pretty good now once it started sprouting one. But what I did was, like, you take the top of it, like the very top 10%, and you cut it like that, right? And then you go and you cut the outside of it, and you cut the core. You eat the inside, obviously, right? What I did, I took all the pieces that were no good, I was not going to eat, I threw that in the ground. So the outside and the very inner core, I put in the ground to give it nutrients. Now I took the top, you know, since it was cut like that, I went ahead and planted that, and that's what grows like this. This is the very, very top. This thing will like cut you, man. It's like razor. Y'all can see that. It's like razor sharp, man. You know, this plant wants to protect itself and make it. I'm down here in Florida. But this is the very, very top of a pineapple growing out the ground. So I don't know what the roots look like. Never looked at it. But I probably watered this maybe the first day or two. I haven't watered these plants personally myself. Maybe my wife did one time or two. But I haven't watered these plants in 4 or 5 years. And show you from the roof line of the house, this is where the water falls. And it goes straight down onto the plants. So it just goes along in a row, man, and just it takes care of them. They just grow without any work, man. I don't do anything to them, and that's what I've gotten. And I actually have one that's growing in a pot that's in the front yard. This is one that's growing in the actual pot, man. So you can grow these in a pot, you know. And it has a little pineapple right there. Look at that. I mean, that thing is cool, and it's just growing in like a medium-sized pot. So it can work out one like that. I probably wouldn't mind doing a lot more like this. I appreciate y'all checking out the short video. I think y'all only watched for like a minute anyway. But thanks for all the new subscribers, man. You know, like, share, subscribe, man. Push these videos out. I'll bring some more content. This is something, I'm just chilling, man. I've worked all week. I don't feel like working on any car today, man. I've put those brakes on. I got to adjust the emergency brake on that Dodge Nitro. I got to do the front brakes. I got to do the front driver's side ABS sensor. And I want to rebuild the caliper. I want to show y'all how to do that. I've watched another video how you get the piston out the caliper. So if I got time this weekend, I may go ahead and do that. I just got to get some brake fluid, put that back in there. And then, you know, we'll keep it going, man. And, you know, we're going to get to those 1,000 subscribers. I'll show you how much I actually get from a monetized YouTube channel, because I almost have the watch hours. I'm at like 2,800 watch hours. I just need 4,000. I have 4,000 probably by October. You know what I mean? I'll have the watch hours. The subscribers are coming. I appreciate y'all. Like, share, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.